In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your deals pipeline in HubSpot, focusing on properties and Playbooks customization. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to optimize the way you handle deals, this guide will help you streamline your sales process effectively. Let's get started by heading over to the HubSpot User Guide. This is essentially your gateway to navigating all the nitty-gritties of customizing your deal pipeline. Once you're in the User Guide, what you'll want to do next is locate the Settings option. Clicking on Settings opens up a world of customization possibilities for better managing your deals. When you click on Settings, look for an option labeled Objects. Objects in HubSpot refer to the different kinds of records that you can manage, such as contacts, companies, and of course deals. By selecting Objects, you're taking a critical step in tailoring the HubSpot platform to better suit your organization's needs. Next, you'll want to click specifically on Deals. This takes you into a section where you can manage various deal settings. Here is where the magic happens. Deals are a crucial part of any CRM system, as they directly represent potential revenue. Customizing your deal settings ensures that you're capturing the information most relevant to your sales process. Within the Deals section, there's a sub-option called Pipelines. Clicking on Pipelines will guide you into setting up and customizing the stages your deals go through before closing. It's akin to a journey your potential clients or leads embark on, from initial interest to finalizing the deal. Adjust these stages based on what makes the most sense for your business. Customizing your deals pipeline is not just about renaming stages, but adding relevant properties that you want to track. Think about what kind of information is essential at each stage, and how that can assist your sales team in prioritizing opportunities. Don't forget to explore Playbooks in HubSpot, too. They allow you to create standardized guides for various sales scenarios. Playbooks ensure your team has quick access to best practices, thus promoting consistency and efficiency across your sales process. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, make sure to save your settings. Regularly revisiting your settings and making adjustments as your business grows will ensure that your CRM continues to support your sales team's needs effectively. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to manage your deal pipelines in HubSpot with a focus on properties and playbook customizations. Remember, personalizing these features is all about improving efficiency and ensuring that your sales process aligns perfectly with your business objectives. Happy selling!